Turkey is considering buying JF-17 Block 3 fighter jets from Pakistan. JF-17 Thunder Block 3 is the most advanced variant of the JF-17 Thunder, a multi-role fighter aircraft jointly developed by Pakistan and China. The JF-17 Block 3 variant is likely to have improved weapon compatibility, allowing it to carry a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. This includes beyond visual range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided munitions, and anti-ship missiles. Turkey's aging F-16 fighter jets seem to be hampering its ambitions of becoming a dominant military power in the region. Turkish government is currently evaluating its limited options after its geographical arch-rival, Greece, finished the acquisition of Dassault Rafale fighter jets from France. Turkey was removed from the F-35 fighter program by the United States, stating that Turkey's S-400 missile system will be incompatible with NATO's missile systems, thus exposing the next-generation F-35 fighters to Russian sabotage. Turkey also denied permission to purchase the 40 new Block 70 F-16s and 80 modernization kits it requested from the U.S. in October 2021. The sale faces stiff opposition from members of Congress critical of Turkey's expanding relations with Moscow. Pakistan Air Force JF-17 Thunder Block 3 is a significant upgrade over its Block 1 and Block 2 predecessors, which lacked several fundamental capabilities. An active electronically scanned array, a critical feature for any modern 4.5 generation jet, is included in this version. During Operation Swift Retort carried out by the Pakistan Air Force in response to the Indian Air Force's airstrike in Balakot, Pakistan, on February 26, 2019, JF-17 Thunder aircraft showcased its capabilities in both the ground strikes and fighter sweep activities. At present, JF-17 aircraft stands prominent in its own class of fighters. In the present environment, when defense budgets are shrinking and air forces face difficulties in affording modern combat aircraft, JF-17 offers a highly cost-effective solution with cutting-edge capabilities. In the shape of JF-17 aircraft, Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and Chengdu Aircraft Corporation offer a cost-effective, highly potent, multi-role combat aircraft which is capable of meeting the challenges of present and future air power employment. JF-17 Thunder Block 3 is the most advanced variant of the JF-17 Thunder, a multi-role fighter aircraft jointly developed by Pakistan and China. The JF-17 Block 3 variant is likely to have improved weapon compatibility, allowing it to carry a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. This includes beyond visual range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided munitions, and anti-ship missiles. The CM-400 is a Chinese-built supersonic anti-ship missile in Pakistani Air Force service. It was developed for and has been integrated with Pakistan's JF-17 Thunder fighters. It is designed for use against fixed or slow-moving targets. The missile has been dubbed a carrier killer.